Hey guys, Microsoft just released some Vibecoding tools in preview within PowerApps. It looks really, really cool. I want to give it a shot today. Basically, what you can do is you can just describe an application and it's going to go and create that application for you, believe it or not. I've played around with it for maybe 2 minutes so far, but what I want to do today is just a quick 5-minute challenge where I'm going to start the clock here in the top right. I'm going to build myself a Power App within 5 minutes. The idea is actually going to be coming from Copilot itself. So I just started playing around with this maybe 20 minutes ago. And I was looking for some ideas to basically test the system. And one of the things that came up here, actually the first suggestion is that we go and make an AI powered sales proposal generator. So what that would be is something that we can create a sales proposal with. Here, we can add a button to go and download it as a PDF. So I'm going to go try that. We're going to give ourselves 5 minutes and see what this Vibecoding can do. Okay, so I'm going to hit the timer and we're going to try and build this page. So here we go. We have 5 minutes. In the top left, you're going to find this feature only if you're in early access. It's called this Describe a Page within PowerApps. So I'm going to go and select Describe a Page. It's going to open up my my text area here where I can go and describe what I want to build. So in this case, I want to build a sales proposal generator. I want to fill in the details of the proposal, and I want a generate PDF button that generates a PDF based on what I have entered into the application. Sorry, I feel like I'm typing fast, but I need to. We've only got 5 minutes, so let's see what comes up here. All right, so I think what it does first is it gives you like a little bit of a summary. Like you can see on the left-hand side, I created a sales proposal generator. No, and then of course it flipped away. There we go. So I created a sales proposal generator. You can click generate PDF to open a print dialog, save the proposal as a PDF. Layout follows PowerApps, conventions, responsive. Okay, great. So here's our sales proposal generator. You saw all the code going into it. That's all AI generated, which is awesome. And we can actually see our first version of our page here. So that's awesome. I'm going to move my timer down just a little bit. One thing we need to do to actually test this is we need to save it, which is in the top right here, and then save and publish. This might take most of our 5 minutes here, but you can already see, okay, it's going to go and do its saving thing. You can already see that, we have a bunch of fields here. We can actually reference fields within the CRM or Power App that already exist, and it can pull it into it. In this case, it's just gone and created them, which is fine for the purposes of this. So if we go and we hit play, you'll see that I've created a couple pages just before I started the video here. But here we have our sales proposal generator page. So that's Gen page 4. Let's just go and enter in some dummy data. So I'll go test account, test proposal. There's the date. Let's do a description. Here is a proposal. Pricing, I don't know. It's going to be $4,500 if I can type. Okay, and terms and conditions. Terms and conditions apply. Okay, awesome. So let's go and see if it actually generates a PDF when we do this. And it does. There we go. Check that out. So I'll try and zoom up here for you. So you can see that we have test proposal, we have our date, we have our test account. So all of the fields have automatically pulled into this PDF. I think you can actually, let's actually flip back into, yeah. So what you can do if you wanted to customize something like a proposal or some sort of output is you can actually add in like screenshots and stuff for it to reference, which is super, super cool, which would allow it to basically be branded and not just that white page that we just saw. But man, this is like some really cool tech. I know a lot of people that would need to use this or would want to use this just to kind of get a different layout and different look of what's in PowerApps, as well as some cool customizations. So yeah, that's the that's Generative Pages. It looks really cool. I'm going to do a little bit more testing on it, and apologies, it's not Copilot, but it is Copilot adjacent, I swear. It's using the new GPT-5, and we still have time to spare, which is amazing. And we've already built a sales proposal generator. So all that I would do next probably is look at importing in a template and referencing that. And away we go. Maybe you want to connect some context and account information in here. All you have to do is just type to your generative page agent, and then that's going to go and create that for you. So pretty exciting stuff. Very quick review of the product, but thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know when they're going to roll this out. I think it said start of next year. If you want to test it, what you have to do is you have to create an early access environment, and you actually might have to create a few. So when I was talking with Microsoft, the first couple that I created didn't actually have access to it. It's completely random at this point, which doesn't make a ton of sense to me. But if you continue to create those environments, you should get your hands on the generative pages at some point. Super cool, interesting way to vibe code within the system. I think it's going to be pretty interesting where they can take it. And there's a ton of potential with this. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you don't mind, we're a small channel. Any subscription is huge for us and greatly appreciated. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.